GCSE 9 to 1 maths, solving a quadratic inequality, so grade 9, okay, GCSE algebra in roughly, okay, 126 seconds. Okay, let's go. So we are asked to solve x squared plus 10x plus 21 here is greater than or equal to 0. So step 1 is to factorize the quadratic here. So factorize the quadratic. Okay, so put it into a pair of the brackets here because obviously it's a quadratic. Okay, and obviously, yeah, it's greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so x and x go in the first part, okay, because obviously x times x makes x squared, okay, and then two numbers that add to make 10 and times to make 21 this year will be positive 3 and positive 7 this year, or plus 3 and plus 7, okay. Sorry about that, guys, I apologize about that. Okay, handwriting's not the best today, so hopefully you can forgive me. Okay, so x plus 7, okay. Now, my solutions to this quadratic, so this quadratic crosses the x-axis at -3 and -7, okay? So you flip the signs to find where the x-intercepts are on the quadratic graph, okay? Now, here is the key. When I sketch my quadratic here, we want to know when is the curve above the x-axis, okay? That's the key part to remember. So when is the curve above the x-axis, okay? We've got -3 and -7 actually, so it looks something. Oops, sorry about my. Okay, I haven't got like the best keypad today, so apologies. Yeah, if I've like butchered this a bit. Okay, okay, like that. Okay, as a rough sketch. Okay, so it crosses at -7 and -3, and it crosses the y-axis at +21. Oops, sorry about this, guys. I apologize about this. Okay, let's give it like one more go. Oops. Okay, rough sketch there. Okay, so when is the graph? Oops, sorry about this, guys. Apologies about my handwriting. Okay, so when is the graph above the x-axis? Well, it's above it in this region here. So it's above it when x is smaller than -7, and it's above it when x is larger than -3. Okay, so my solution to the quadratic inequality will be when x is strictly less than -7 or -7, or okay, or when x is greater than -3. Okay, so sorry, smaller than or equal to, sorry, yeah, smaller than or equal to -7, yeah, greater than or equal to -3, sorry. Okay, so that's how we solve a quadratic inequality. Okay? It's the same procedure every time. You factorize it where you can. Okay. If it's less than, okay, you're looking for the region where it's below the x-axis. If it's greater than or equal to, okay, you're looking at the region where it's above the x-axis. Okay. So when it's less than or equal to, you look at the region where it's below the x-axis. Okay, so where the graph is below the x-axis, and when it's greater than or equal to, look at where it's above the x-axis. Okay, so that's how we solve, okay, a quadratic inequality that is a typical exam-style question that appears every single year on the GCSE higher tier EDEXCEL, AQA, and OCR without fail. Okay, so revise and learn this grade 9 topic. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. All the best. Speak soon.